I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gary. I'm not a bartender and I'm making drinks for fun. If you like what you see, consider subscribing and maybe give a like to this video and come join this little adventure of mixology with me. Other than that, let's get right to the video. In this episode of Casually Drinking, I'm gonna make a cocktail that fits into the theme of the new movie Scream 5. This is a cocktail I got from the web, so it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, there will be a link in the description of the website I used that inspired me to make this slasher cocktail, as it's called. And let's get right into the ingredients I used. So the first thing we're gonna use is pineapple rum, which I got is a Bacardi brand that I'm gonna be using. The next brand I'm gonna use is St. Elmo's Silver Rum. The other ingredient we're gonna use is a strawberry puree, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this strawberry daiquiri margarita mix. So see how it goes. The recipe also calls for kiwi syrup, which I don't really have kiwis on me, so I just bought this syrup in the store. I didn't even know they made this kind of syrup, but yeah, hopefully it's good. There you have it, folks. This is the Woodsboro Slasher, a cocktail inspired by Scream 5. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, and again, subscribe if you're new, obviously. And yeah, this is my first episode, so I hope you enjoyed.